welcome to my channel. So I know I'm in a different surrounding, but I'm literally outside my house recording this video because I wanted to show you guys how the hair is, and I wanted you guys to see like literally like the full length. So I've gone extra miles than I usually would on a video. However, I know like a lot of people just purchase this hair and some of them have not received it. So long story short, I wanted to make your lives easier to show you literally like the deets of what's going on. So this is the hair. I installed it last night and it is crochet, and this is how long it is. So let me just bring it all up to the front so you can see. This is 28 inches and I'm 5'3". I have bootsies on, so I'm gonna take my bootsies off after so you guys can see like how the length is with bootsies, without bootsies. So let me show you guys the back of the hair. I hope you guys can see it, but like it literally touches my butt, and as I said, I am 5'3", so installing this hair was not a problem at all. Like so far I love this hair. I did, as I said, crochet. I didn't do an individual method. I just did like, you know, like regular crochet braids all the way back, and then, you know, you crochet. I'll leave videos down below of crochet links that I kind of like usually go by. Nothing's like complicated, it's just regular crochet. What else? So I got 6 packs initially and it was not enough. I think I can do with another pack. I just have to go in and like fill it in and stuff like that. It's super light. That's one thing I really love about it. It's super light. It doesn't like, it's not really heavy. I slept last night. I slept good. I just have a huge bonnet that I sleep with, so I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm going to cut the ends. For me personally, it's too long. I work out all the time. Sorry guys, there's like cars passing through because I am outside. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ends, like a little bit of the ends, because I feel like it's too long for me. I work out all the time and I don't have time to be dealing with this long hair. But if you're not a person who's active, this is a really cute style. However, I don't personally like the little thingies at the end, like how it looks. But other than that, I'd give this hair 9 out of 8, only because I don't like the ends. And if you have a big head like mine, I would definitely recommend you get 7 or 8 packs, because I have a few holes that, like, you know, an extra pack would do. I think I just honestly just need 1 more pack and I'll be fine. So I want to do an up close and personal of the hair so you guys can see how it is. So this is it. And I love it so far. I've been getting so many compliments on it. This is it. I just did like, you know, regular side part, and with my crochet I could do side, middle, whatever I want to do with it. But this is it. And as you guys can see, I told you guys I had a color 4 in there, so this is a color 4. I have a color 2, color 1, 1B, and 1 pack of color 4 just to add some highlights in it, and it was sold out, so I had no choice but to get a color 4. So I'm gonna take off my shoes. So these are my little bootsies that I have on. So I'm literally gonna be standing flat on the floor so you guys can see how like how the hair reaches. So if I'm standing on my, so I'm standing like on my floor, and you can tell like the difference. Like I just literally like got shorter. So this is the hair. I'm 5'3.5", so I hope it gives you guys some help when purchasing this hair. I'm going to turn back again so you guys can see the difference with my booties on versus my booties off. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is it. Like the hair like literally like is to my butt. So without my booties on, I'm pretty sure you guys can't see where the hair is, but it literally is like over my butt, and I've never got a hair that is that long before. So I'm going to show a video of me cutting it and of course accessorizing this, because I feel like it needs some accessories to it. But that's about it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or anything, and I'll answer those questions. I'm gonna come back hopefully soon when I cut the ends of the hair and accessorize it. So it'll be like my final video, but this is like my first impressions of how it was. So this is the hair again. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll be doing more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video.